Suomenlinna, the castle of Finland, is the sea fortress that stretches across 6 islands just off the coast of Helsinki, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a living community, and a gateway to centuries of Nordic history. Built in the mid-18th century when Finland was part of the Kingdom of Sweden, Suomenlinna, originally named Sveaborg, was designed as a maritime defense against Russian expansion. Construction began in 1748, led by Swedish Admiral Augustin Ehrensvärd, who envisioned not just a fortress, but a fortified town with barracks, shipyards, and thick bastion walls integrated into the island's natural shape. At its peak under Swedish control, the fortress became one of the largest and most modern of its kind in Europe. In 1808, during the Finnish War between Sweden and Russia, Suomenlinna was surrendered to Russian forces after a controversial siege. This marked a turning point in Finnish history, leading to over a century of Russian rule. Under Russian control, the fortress was further developed and served as a strategic base for the Imperial Russian Navy. It played a role in the Crimean War, 1853 to 1856, when it was bombarded by an Anglo-French fleet during the Battle of Suomenlinna, leaving parts of the fortress in ruins. Following Finland's independence in 1917, the fortress was renamed Suomenlinna, meaning Castle of Finland, symbolizing the nation's new sovereignty. The site remained under military control for decades, housing Finnish coastal artillery and serving as a training base. Over time, its military role diminished, and by the 1970s, Suomenlinna began transforming into a civilian district and cultural heritage site. Today, Suomenlinna is home to about 800 residents and a vibrant blend of museums, galleries, parks, and historic buildings. You can explore underground tunnels, climb ramparts overlooking the sea, visit the dry dock, one of the oldest still in use in Europe, or learn about life in the 18th century at the Ehrensvärd Museum. The Suomenlinna Museum offers a deeper dive into its layered past, from Swedish bastion to Russian garrison to Finnish heritage site. The islands are connected by walking paths that take you past cannons, cobblestone courtyards, and seaside cliffs. In summer, locals come to picnic, swim, and attend open-air theatre performances, while winter brings peaceful snowscapes and quiet ferry rides through frozen waters. The 15-minute ferry ride from Market Square is part of the experience, offering postcard views of the Helsinki skyline and the surrounding archipelago. Suomenlinna is accessible year-round and is one of the most popular day trips in Finland. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking a break from the city, Suomenlinna offers a unique blend of tranquility, culture, and adventure, just a stone's throw across the bay.